Yes, you're welcome to another tutorial where I'll show you how to make a Joeboy Type beat. I'll be giving you the breakdown of how I made the drums, the melodies, and of course the rolls and every other thing that makes that Joeboy sound pop. So here I'll play the beat first, then after you hear just a preview of the beats, then I'll show you the breakdown. Alright, so that's basically the beats, although there are some variations along the way, but that's basically it. So I started with these chords that I played in reverse. I got it from Nexus, so I already rendered it as an audio file so I could reverse it. So let's listen to it. Then I played this piano sound. I think this piano, okay, a guitar, a wah guitar. In Nexus, I also layered it with a sound from Serum. So let's hear just this progression. So let's hear it with the reverse chords. Then next is the drums. Let me solo the drums as a whole, then I'll split it up again for you to hear. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright. Alright, so this is the drums. So let's take it piece by piece. First of all, I started with this shaker. It's a shaker loop. It's very easy to find. Just Google or YouTube African shakers. You can easily get them. It's not hard to find. Then this is from a kit that I bought. It was from one of those Afro kits I bought from Loop Masters. You know, it sounds Indian kind of, so that was the loop. Then I played the drums. It's basically just this kick, this snare. I layered the kick. I'm playing two kicks here to give it punch. And just to give it punch, then this percussion here, then the snare. So this percussion was already making it sound like Joeboy style. Then layered with this. So that's just it for the drums, really. That's just it for the drums. Then I have a bass line here, very simple bass line. And the next is this simple melody. I have this flute. I added delay to the flute. Then of course the classic Afro pom pom sound. I used serum to do the pom pom sound, although it's not sounding like really like the pump, like the normal marimba sound, but just a variation of it. Yeah, the flute was played with I play most of my flutes and sax with Purity. I love their sounds. With just a simple delay. So that's basically how I built made the beat. So let's head over to the rolls and see how the rolls sound like. Alright, let's focus on this part. Here I played it with Nexus. I have a guitar extension for Nexus, so I got this block sound. So it just gives the rolls more character, makes it more interesting. This is a drum roll. I just split it in pieces so I could use it properly for what I wanted, because it wasn't getting me there. Then this is that's in percussion. I layered it to give it more depth also. Basically, I just like to layer sounds to make it sound fuller. So then I have this sound here. Then the O's is this one here, just to give you more life. So that's it basically for how to make a Joeboy type beat. Just get the drums right. The drums already give you the direction, then the chord progression. I noticed that most of Joeboy's songs had a kind of reverse sound. Well, most of his hit songs have reversed sound, so I don't think he will keep that up for long. But for now, it is what it is. So, so yeah. So we just stick with that template for now, since that's in style. You can always feel free to improvise. You can add 808s to yours, but I didn't add 808s here, or I didn't feel the need to. I just added a typical simple bass line. So that's it, how to make a Joeboy type beat. Take care.